lacking defensively, and that's why they bring in Chandler from Dallas. Now, will it fit together?
Oh my goodness!
Obviously, Mike
What is that, Amelie? Look at all those presents.
They're in training camp like the rest of the teams in the NBA. But is there enough guard play? Is there enough depth? We'll see, but expectations are there.
For the Celtics, the big news coming into opening day here at the Garden, Paul Pierce will sit out.
Look at all these presents.
Bruised heel. He did not play in the 2 exhibition games. Sasha Pavlovich will be in the.
What are you gonna do?
Question.
Look at all that. Go get him.
You get together with that compressed schedule.
Circus.
Can the veterans hold up?
Well, Doc Rivers thinks so.
It's Amelie Circus.
But we'll see. 66 games in 124 days. Remember, this is a team
that
had an incredible 4-year run. They win the title in 08. They come close the next couple years, including that devastating Game 7 loss to the Lakers. Kendrick Perkins got hurt. Last year, the quick start.
That's already open, baby girl.
Late. Do they have enough in the tank, enough in reserve to get through this condensed schedule and then be strong going into the playoffs? We'll see.
The Celtics play what, 19?
Circus, go inside.
Steve early
Here, inside here.
We have 3 games in 5 days.
Circus.
And they get our rest, Mark.
Right, you got to fight through it.
Just got to grind every day.
Let's get back to Ernie.
As with both gamers, I have no doubt that you'll see your way through. As we head to break, we check out Twitterland. Lots of players using social media these days, and in recent days, some of what they would say, meta world peace, by the way. I'm not playing Dallas, but I'm going to take a test and possibly sweat the Lakers.
What happened? What's the matter? Go look at the circus. Come on, let's go look together. Yeah, circus. That's your circus. Let's go look together. It's okay. Circus. You can play inside the circus. Look. Yeah, cool. You inside? Yay! Cool. You got a circus tent. Where's Amelie? Is Amelie at the circus? Circus! Circus! Circus, I see you!
My husband Hank was always fun. Never took life too seriously.
Circus!
Until my son was born.
Circus!
Stay on life insurance.
Hi.
Now, there's no way I could send out
Coming out?
There was one thing I could say.
See you later. Bye. See you later.
Hey, Hank.
Life insurance you can use while you're still living.
You are one lucky lady.
Learn more from your State Farm agent today.